Hello and welcome to Casa Kids. Come in, let me show you our process, how we make your furniture. And it all starts here. Follow me. Here is where we store all our plywood. We have different plywoods, but it's mostly birch, walnut, and oak. We order in volume. It all starts by picking the sheet that we're gonna cut, and we bring it on this table. This is called a CNC router, computerized numerically controlled router. It's a computerized machine that cuts the plywood into all the pieces that we need with a router. Once the pieces are cut, they come to the production area, is where we do all the hand labor. So the guys are sanding edges, rounding the corners, drilling, and preparing the pieces for assembly. So here, for example, we're testing a Murphy bed that we just assembled. So we make sure the pistons are working well, that the leg opens well, that is all leveled and square. Right here, we paint the wood. Mostly when we do colors, we do a lot of custom colors that the customer can pick. This metal bay is where we assemble all the furniture. Once the pieces are cut, drilled, and pre-sanded, we assemble it in this middle section. So I hope you enjoyed the factory visit. This is where we make everything. And in the next video, we're gonna show you our showroom, where you're gonna see our finished pieces. Showroom is available for visits by appointment. And Saturdays is a very good day to come, but we'll tell you about that in our next video.